Hello everyone and welcome back to HomeFoodCook. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to make ricotta cheese. So for this recipe you will need 2 liters of whole milk, 100 grams of creme fraiche, freshly squeezed lemon and a pinch of salt. Let's begin. Okay, so I put the milk on the stove at a high fire, and then when it begins to bubble, we need to put the cream, and then we stir very good, and then we put the lemon juice. I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay guys, so our milk is boiling. Now we turn off the fire and we add the cream. We stir very well, so we dissolve all the cream in the milk. Okay, so now we add the lemon juice to the milk and we stir it very well, just like that, and we stir it very well. Instantly it will separate like you are seeing now. And now we let it rest for 5 minutes, and then we separate the whey from the curds. Okay, so our milk has separated very well. You can see the curds and the whey. Now we need to separate the cheese from the whey. So here I have a sieve, a big sieve, and a cloth. You can use cheesecloth or any fine mesh cloth. You pour it on the sieve like that, and then you need to separate the milk. You put it in there. So now we need to let it drip all the way. You can move it like that just a bit, so to help it. And after it drops all the way, we need to squeeze it a bit, and then we have our ricotta cheese. Okay, so now we need to squeeze. We take it like that. It's still hot, oh my god. Okay, so we have all the whey collected in here. I suggest you don't throw it away, because you can add it to pizza instead of the water. You add the whey, or to making bread, because it's already salted and it has a lot of protein in it. So I will squeeze this, and I will show you the end result. Okay, so our ricotta is ready. As you can see, it's really fresh and it's still hot. You can put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes or 45 minutes, and if you want, you can eat it hot like that. I'm gonna taste it for you. It's really good, guys. It's really good. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like it, please leave me a like, leave me a comment under the comment section, subscribe to the video right here, and see you next time. Bye bye.